Okay, so you've made the decision and you're going solo, and you plan to make it on your own as an independent hairstylist. So what's next? Well, you needed an amazing name, of course. In today's video, we are going to be talking all about naming your business the top best tips. Let's jump in. Hey, I'm Madison, and I help independent hairstylists to set up or restructure their hairstyling businesses. I'll show you how you can quiet the noise from all the unnecessary distractions using organization and truly innovative systems, as well as share some really helpful strategies to connect or reconnect with your branding so that you can learn the right way to promote your business, especially when you're promoting it online. Okay, so let's get into today's video. First, we're going to talk about which 3 components of your mission statement should be established before you choose a name, and why you have to have a mission statement first before anything else. Then, we'll chat a bit about branding and how it relates to the subject at hand. And last, I'm going to tell you about a majorly helpful tool to try out when you need help, but you're feeling super blocked creatively. So a mission statement defines the purpose of an organization. So in other words, it describes what is being pursued to accomplish the vision. A mission statement isn't meant to be like a long paragraph or an explanation of what your business is or does. Like when you're creating it, there are 3 main points that you want to make sure you hit so that you can actually create and come up with your perfect mission statement. And the first would be key market. The key market is so important because first you need to know who you're servicing before anything else. Like the second thing you need to figure out is your contribution. You need to know exactly what it is that you do, as in how do you help your key market. And 3 is distinction. And with distinction, it's really very simple. It's all about what makes you unique and different. So what do your clients come to you for versus Jenny down the block? And after you nail down those 3 key factors, then you're ready to put it all together and craft a perfect mission statement. And knowing your mission statement now that you are a business owner as well as a hairstylist should help you begin to start visualizing the type of name that's best suited for your business. If you've already crafted your perfect mission statement, I'd love to hear it. Write it out in the comments below to share what it is you do, who you serve, and what makes you unique. Okay, so the second thing that I think is super important after you have your mission statement is to nail down your branding. You should have a very clear idea of what your brand looks and feels like, which should reflect the core message of your mission statement. Start asking yourself some questions such as, what does my brand look like? What colors do I see? What patterns am I most drawn to? And what does this make me feel like? This vision that only you can create will be a super important component for you as you begin to discover your perfect business name. My advice would be to really give yourself some time to dive into your creative self. I mean, I even recommend meditation. Whichever way you like to get yourself into the creative vibe and plan or brainstorm, just make sure to take the time, because this is a really important and also fun step as you start your new business. And before I forget, if you're new to my channel and are interested in learning how you can build a successful and sustainable business as an independent hairstylist, click that notification bell at the bottom of the screen so that you can make sure you're notified every single time I release a new video just like this one. Okay, so now we've reached the last thing that I'm going to share with you as it pertains to coming up with your perfect business name. And what I found is if you already have a few ideas, you're just not sure exactly how to get them all get them to come together. In the age of technology, there are now a bunch of websites out there that can help you generate fast and free business names. As soon as I started searching out free name generators online, I was super shocked to see how many there are available. And in fact, if you're watching this video and you think I'm giving you some really great ideas, but you still want some more, you guys are in luck, because today I'm including in this video, in the description box below, you will find a link for my free guide for hairstylists, and it's called How to Choose an Incredible Name for Your Business. Not only will it give you more advice on how to choose a name, but it also has a lot more information about the legal side of things, legal side of owning a business, as well as a couple of those free name generators to explore more in depth as well. So if you're trying to come up with your perfect name, make sure that you go grab that freebie, and I will link it in the description box below, just like I said before. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.